In this video, I will show you how you can set up and use Payoneer Checkout with your Shopify store. Now this is going to be a step-by-step guide, so let's get started. The first thing that you need to make sure is that Payoneer Checkout is available in your current region. Otherwise, it is not going to work out. You have to then do it manually. Now if you have Shopify payments, click on activate Shopify payments, and after filling out all the necessary information, once you are on the bank details section, you just need to enter your Payoneer business account bank details. It can be US dollar account or euro or pounds account. It depends on you or wherever you are selling your products. The other method that you can go directly is adding the Payoneer checkout. So simply click on add payment method, and then you just need to search by provider and simply search for Payoneer checkout, and then you will land on this particular page where you need to simply click on get started, and then you just need to enter your personal information, your business details. Make sure to simply enter your website URL of your Shopify and select the Shopify as your e-commerce platform. Select your monthly volume and then business headquarters. Once you are done, click on the submit and you will going to receive the update within few hours, which you can then follow the on-screen instructions to activate your Payoneer checkout. This might take some time, so you need to make sure to be patient, and once the Payoneer checkout is completed, this is how it is going to look like. So that's the few ways of how you can set up and use Payoneer checkout with your Shopify store.